And race is on. Sir Henry, the favorite, fast to begin. Moving up by the rail to grab the lead is State Witness. It's now State Witness, Sir Henry, Leon Junique, Diamond Duchess, and running in the middle is Rebel Guts, down on the inside, Senor Cricket. Kay Aquino running in 7th position, running 8 is Scad Missile, in the middle Wonder Pub, while entry number 6. And this one's Erebenian Queen is running at the tail of the field. State Witness by a length and a half. Sir Henry. Diamond Duchess getting closer in third. River Gods racing in fourth by Sam Trilangs. And running down on the inside is Leon Junique Kayakino running in 6. That's 450. State Witness by Happel and followed by Sir Henry as they race the final corner. State Witness, Sir Henry rushing up from the outside. Diamond Duchess, Leon Junique sneaking down on the inside. Sir Henry, State Witness, Leon Junique making ground down on the inside. Sir Henry, Leon Junique running by the rail, and finally Leon Junique, Sir Henry, State Witness, Diamond Duchess, and for your Fanta Effect, number 6, Erebenian Queen.